Hey, credit heroes. Do you know what marketing professionals consider to be the holy grail of advertising? No, it's not a Super Bowl ad. No, the holy grail of advertising is the trusted referral. And this isn't just true for credit repair. No, it's true for most businesses. Think about it. If a good friend tells you about a great mechanic, the next time your car breaks down, you know exactly where to go to get it fixed. It's that simple. You trust the person who is recommending the product or service. And that's why today I'm going to share with you the free secret weapon for generating leads and receiving trusted referrals. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
As an entrepreneur, it's your job to figure out how to generate leads and to turn those leads into trusted referrals. Now, according to Forbes, LinkedIn, and Nielsen, word-of-mouth marketing results in 5 times more sales than paid media. And people are 90% more likely to trust and buy from a brand that was recommended by a friend. These trusted referrals are so important that marketing experts, they work their butts off to get them. And if they can't get them, then they manufacture artificial ones. For example, influencer endorsements. Kylie Jenner earns more than $1 million per sponsored Instagram post because social media has blurred the lines between reality and advertising. Kylie's connection to her followers has them believing that the products that she promotes are organic word-of-mouth recommendations and not standard paid advertisements. But still, influencers and celebrities don't compare to the effectiveness of someone that you know recommending a product or service to you. Now, you've probably never heard of the Girls Intelligence Agency, right? Well, the GIA is a West Coast marketing firm that collects buying habit information from about 40,000 tweens, which are girls ages 8 to 13, through this thing that they call the Slumber Party in a Box marketing tool. And the GIA recruits popular girls, secret agent style, to host slumber parties with their friends where they distribute never-before-seen products, including branded clothing and cosmetics, as though they were word-of-mouth recommendations. These are the lengths that companies will go to manufacture trusted referrals. That's how powerful this is. So how do you get people to recommend your business? Well, you do it by creatively nurturing relationships and by getting results for your clients. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that on a shoestring budget, and I'm going to describe different tactics that others have used to find leads in unique places. And I'm going to teach you ways to generate huge numbers of trusted referrals for your business. Now, before we get into this podcast is brought to you by the Credit Hero Challenge. If you want me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, go to creditherochallenge.com and sign up now. Okay, let's get into this. Here at Credit Repair Cloud, we work very hard to develop effective techniques for generating leads. We promote the process of learning to repair your own credit first, and then honing your craft, doing free work for friends and family, leveraging your social media accounts while being careful to not violate Facebook's terms of service, and connecting with affiliates to create mutually beneficial relationships. And this process works. But what else can you do? Well, it's time to get creative. According to the FTC, 79% of all Americans have errors on their credit reports. That means 4 out of 5 people that you see walking around on the street are potential clients for you. See, the odds are in your favor. You just need to brainstorm your options and choose a place to start. Now, we've had Millionaires Club members do things like deliver donuts to beauty salons and nail shops, places where word travels fast, and they do this to amplify their brand within their community. We've also had credit heroes go to laundromats and repair shops and businesses that traditionally service middle and lower income communities to befriend the managers and post flyers. And we've had entrepreneurs utilize their hobbies, their local clubs, and even their children's school groups in order to meet more potential clients. Here's why this is important. If you are a first-time entrepreneur, you probably can't afford to spend a lot of money on ads. And that's okay. Actually, that's a good thing. More than likely, if you do have the money to spend on ads, you'll probably blow it on the wrong types of ads. That's what happened to me when I was first starting out. Your goal at this stage, it should be figuring out a client base that you can target. Okay? Determine where those people are and how to communicate your business to them sincerely. Sounds kind of fun, right? Like a strategy game. So here's what you need to know. The first step in the creative thinking process is a brainstorm session. You set aside time to focus, and then you write down a list. This list should include everyone that you're connected to in any way. I'm talking about friends and family, secondary acquaintances, local organizations, clubs and hobby groups, co-workers and colleagues. You should also write down a separate list of business owners that you can contact for affiliate referrals when you feel ready to take that step. And after you've written down everyone that you can think of online and offline, now it's time to add a note next to each of their names. And you want to detail reasons why they might need your services and ways that you might respectfully approach them with your services. This exercise will help you to see the full scope of your potential client base. And it's going to give you ideas on how to reach individual people. You need to be prepared to focus on your individual clients' wants and needs. Remember, this is about them. The next step is to review who is in your potential client base and then narrow down your tactics to the most realistic options. For example, let's say you live in a city with a large population of veterans, or you're near a military base, or maybe you're a veteran yourself. That's when you do a little research and you learn that according to the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, nearly 90% of active service members and 84% of their partners, they have worries about personal finances. So in order to help those veterans and maybe their families, maybe you contact the local VFW and the VA office and respectfully ask if you can put up some flyers or leave behind a stack of business cards. Make it very clear that your intentions are to improve the lives of those veterans. Maybe you even offer a free service giveaway for the first 10 veterans who sign up. Or here's another example. Many successful credit heroes speak in churches to give credit advice. And you know what? Not only are they helping the people in their community by giving away this knowledge, but they always leave with new clients. Remember, financial hardship is often embarrassing, and many don't want to talk about it. So be discreet and make your good intentions clear. Learn your strengths as a salesperson and then play to your strengths. And it costs you nothing to tell your story. It costs you nothing to make a contact and build a relationship, even if they decline your services, because that person you just spoke to, they still learned about you and your business. We've had Millionaires Club members visit high schools and prisons to educate people on their credit, which allows them to position themselves as experts in their community without hard selling anyone. You could visit a local community college, set up a free credit advice desk on campus, answer questions, and ask for email addresses in return. You can go to all the bowling alleys in your town and ask the owners if you could put business cards in the shoes. No, this is not silly. It actually works. You just have to think creatively. Now, once you have the lead, you still need to convert them into a client. And then you always want to over-deliver value and then ask for a testimonial and then share the results everywhere. And that's how you can turn one client into 5 or 10 more. So have fun brainstorming. And our Facebook community is a great place to get lead generation ideas. So take a moment and post your craziest or your silliest or most successful lead generation ideas in our community, or comment on this video or on any of our social media channels. I want to hear from you. Also, lead generation is one of the many marketing topics that we cover in depth in our Credit Repair Cloud Masterclass. If you don't already have a Credit Repair Cloud account, check it out. It's the software that most credit repair businesses in America run on. And you can sign up for a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com. And if you'd like me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. It's a live experience that has helped tons of credit heroes to get their first clients, to get certified in disputing, and to gain confidence as they launch their credit repair business on a solid foundation so they can change a whole lot of lives and make a great living in the process. We're starting the next challenge in just a couple days, so you want to join before the doors close, or you're going to have a long wait until the next one. So sign up for that right now at creditherochallenge.com. And if you're finding value in the things that I share on this podcast, be sure to click below to subscribe and leave me your questions and your comments, because I read each and every one of them. And I will see you on the next episode. And until then, be a credit hero and keep changing lives.
Want a fast track to creating an amazing business that helps people, changes lives, and makes you a great living in the process? Then I'd like to invite you to my free online training at creditrepaircloud.com/free training. In this free training, you will learn how to get clients willing to pay you even if you're just starting out, how to get easy credit repair results without being an expert, and how to get all the clients you'll ever need without paying for advertising. Again, this training is absolutely free. Just visit creditrepaircloud.com/free training.